Welcome to this tutorial. How to set up a PayPal account. You can easily do online shopping, send, or receive money through a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, then this video will help you. You can easily set up a PayPal account by performing some steps. Let's follow these steps. Open your web browser. Type paypal.com in the address bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. At the top right, click on the Sign Up button. Here, you have to select any one option. If you're creating a PayPal account for your business, then select the Business Account option. I'm going to create a personal account on PayPal, so I have selected the first option of Personal Account. Click on the Next button. Select your country from the available countries list. Type your mobile number and click on the Next button. You'll receive a verification code on your given phone number. Type your email address, password, and retype the password in the confirmation boxes. Click on the Next button. Fill the form with the required fields of your name, date of birth, and address. Select the checkbox of PayPal's agreement and click on the Agree and Create Account button. Now, link your debit or credit card with PayPal. Fill in the correct information about your card and then click on the Link Card button. You'll receive an OTP number. Enter that number in the box and click on the Submit OTP button. This action will confirm your debit or credit card. Click on the Done button and your PayPal account has been set up. See, that wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.